Our initial idea for this project was a note-taking application for video lectures. We figured that it was kind of a hassle to watch a video lecture on your computer. If you wanted to take notes, you have to pause that video, move to your piece of paper, take your notes, start watching again. That was too much.
When I first envisioned this project, I thought I'd be building a sweet online note-taking application to integrate with the online education revolution. I was excited to get to build a real product with real potential and bring it to customers.
The four of us were excited about our idea and took it out to the customers.
Unfortunately, our enthusiasm for the idea was not met equally. Potential customer after potential customer seemed intrigued by the concept of an online video note-taker, but none of them were clamoring for it. Soon we began contemplating all types of pivots.
When our initial customer feedback did not come out as we hoped, we tried all different kinds of pivots. We moved from a note-taker to a collaborative study group environment to a PDF tool.
As our group struggled to find a direction, frustration grew, leading to one of our members, the one who proposed the initial idea, walking away.
With no real direction, we scrapped all our original ideas and started from scratch. The idea for Dream Figures really started as something simple. I'm obsessed with video games, especially role-playing games like Skyrim.
We saw the opportunity to take a successful business model from another video game and bring it to the highly involved Skyrim community.
Thus, Dream Figures was born. Dream Figures is a specialty service for video game players that allows them to purchase customized 3D statues of their personal in-game characters. We pull the gamer's character from the game, send it to 3D artists, and then a 3D printing service that prints a detailed statue and sends it to the customer. The inspiration came from a company called Figureprints, which provides a similar service to players of another game, World of Warcraft.
We began reaching out to various people associated with Figureprints and Bethesda, the game studio that produces Skyrim. After gathering information from interviewing the founder, Ed Fries, the head 3D artist, Scott Martin, and the CEO of a toy company with a Bethesda license, we began to assemble components of our business model.
We talked to members of the Skyrim digital modification community, established contact with interested teams of 3D artists, and opened discussions with a 3D printing service. Along the way, we began to refine our business model.
The most interesting interview we had was one with a former CEO of a failed 3D print company, Protodemon. Since the former founder did not see me as his competition, he was more open to share his knowledge of the industry with me. I learned how to partner with outsourced 3D print companies and how to get them to build prototypes for me, free of charge. These companies also offered heavily discounted price for outsourced print jobs. This changed our business model because it allowed us to get prototypes built for next to no cost, reduce the production costs for our outsourced printing, and discover various options for our final printed products.
Once we figured out that our plan was possible, we took the idea out to the customers to see if there was any demand for this type of product. This time, they were ecstatic.
As the class closes, we're approaching a major step in making this project a reality, preparing a pitch to Bethesda to secure rights to their IP. We've all learned a ton about building a business and put in a significant amount of work into this class. Hopefully, Bethesda allowing, there will be a lot more work to do in the future.